Before venturing out onto the mountain, we'd highly recommend you planning well in advance, meaning pick a route, a path that's most suitable for you and your team, and remember that by getting to the summit you're only halfway, and you've got the way down to go, and you're very likely to be tired, and that's mostly when trips and falls happen. Once you've chosen a suitable path, stick to this path, don't wander off, and certainly don't just follow the people who are in front of you. They might be going to a different place, possibly a more dangerous place. So in terms of suitable kit to take with you, first and foremost a sturdy pair of shoe that's been worn in to save blisters. Make sure that the boot or the shoe is ankle supporting. The terrain is obviously quite steep and rocky, and as well as a good pair of shoes, make sure that you take with you lots of layers. The weather at the top, or the temperature at the top of the mountain, the summit, is around 10 degrees lower than it is at the foot. And obviously it gets quite windy, so make sure you take plenty of layers that's suitable for the weather that you're walking in. So as well as a good pair of shoes, we'd also recommend that you take a rucksack with you, and plenty to eat and drink, bearing in mind that over the summer months when it's hotter, take with you a lot more water, and things like sun cream as well. Some additional kit that you might need as well, a map and compass, and make sure that you know how to use them, and not relying on your mobile phone in case it runs out of battery, or you don't have signal. Some other things like a torch, a first aid kit as well, and a whistle, just in case you find yourself in a situation, an emergency situation. Before you head out on the mountain, make sure that you check out the weather forecast for that day on somewhere like the Met Office website, and bear in mind that the weather can change quite rapidly. In the interest and safety of the wildlife that lives here, as well as the livestock, sheep and cattle, please make sure that you keep your dog under close control. Make sure that you tell somebody where you're going and what time to expect you back, and then obviously when you're off the mountain, make sure that you let the same person know that you're back safely.